Shanghai Metallurgy Technology Company Limited has 25 years of history and more than 110 project experience of metallurgical engineering, owning 83 metallurgical patents and proprietary technologies, continues to provide safe, reliable steel production technologies, excellent equipment, and various steel product services, including blast furnaces, ironmaking process. SMT Steel masters full set of technologies for advanced small, medium, and mini blast furnaces, covering effective volumes from 2,000 cubic meters to 20 cubic meters. Especially the latest developed mini modular blast furnace, the height is less than 8.5 meters. Modular manufacturing and installation let the project construction period shorten within 60 days and reducing the investment cost by 40%. The payback period of investment is shortened to less than 1 year. As upstream metallurgical industries, combined with steel making and continuous casting process, a large number of high-quality billets have been consistently produced and provided to these downstream steel plants as raw material for rolling steel. SMT Steel masters mature steel making process covering electric arc furnace (EAF), induction furnace, refinishing ladle furnace, and continuous casting machine (CCM), and other related processes. In addition, SMT Steel continue to develop and research advanced hot rolling and cold rolling technology, especially the latest groove slitting rolling process, our self-developed patented technology, which is suitable for the production of various steel products covering steel bar, rebar, angle steel, wire rod coil, steel strip, steel tube, and so on. Multi-line process can meet the simultaneous production of various kinds of products, and that modular design can directly reduce the general equipment investment by more than 50% for investors, and the installation period will be shortened by more than 60% compared with traditional technologies. The application of our patented technologies will shorten the investor's investment recovery cycle by 40%, bringing considerable economic benefits to investors.